Hello, and welcome to LaserFlow. This is the project I have been working on for the past 10 days or so ish now. I'm very excited about it. You can go check out the website on screen now. Here, let's go to the computer. This is LaserFlow, and it's a new kind of AI that I want to build. And the first use case we're applying it to is an email agent that securely helps have all your different email inboxes in one place. It analyzes them, it helps you keep track of things, it helps you find things, and it does it all locally. We don't actually obviously have the new AI built yet, so I built this backend for it, and this is the current live demo that you can check out at laserflow.xyz right here. And you can see you can go through these. You go over here to your settings. You connect different all your different email connections. And this is just a demonstration app at the moment, but it'll give you kind of an idea of what you can do, and then you can talk to the AI here, and you can say things like, "What's new?" But you get the idea. You'd be able to, and then this button generates fake new emails, so you can see. But you can ask it to do things like this, and then. And I know people are going to be like, how are you going to be different? You got great big companies with millions and billions and trillions of dollars spending on AI. We are different because we have a proprietary training technique, and I want to build unique ways of embedding information in higher dimensional fractal space out of like a topological manifold. It's really cool shit. Make it super more efficient. Make it able to run on your device, on your phone, on your laptop, so it doesn't have to go to no cloud. It's trained privately, so it doesn't actually see your information, but it trains on your specific pattern. So it's really tailored. It's really efficient. It's really useful, and it's always private. Here, and then it's all encrypted with the Tetris analogy. We anonymize your data and we analyze it based on patterns in the metadata, not the actual content. And only you can see it because you got the private key with special magic glasses. So like, this is your data, but it only sees the shape of it. It doesn't see all your private, like all your sensitive, whatever it is you're emailing to people. So that's kind of, this is the main website. This is the live demo. You can log in, check this out. You do have to make a login thing, but you can just, it's super easy. You just log in with, Google, just like boom. And there you go. You're logged in. It's super dope. And then you can see like your sent emails and everything. And then the next iteration, this is the current UI. I've kind of gone in a new direction with the UI. And I've been beta testing it, trying to get it all ready before launch, but this is what it looks like now. Same idea. Here's your chatbot. Summarize new emails. And it wants to get specifically into the context. At the moment, this is not our AI. This is just a back end that simulates what it would be like to interact with the AI. And then you can like write new emails here. You can see your different things here. You can switch between different accounts here. You can open this menu. Check that out. This is where you generate new emails. Boomerino. You can sort through your different stuff here. You got your settings. You got preferences. You can, oops. You go over here. You go to preferences. You can, boom. Check it out. Now it's in light mode. How magical. So if you like that, then you can do that. And then this is like back to the home page. So yeah, fun times. It's really cool for core fundamental technology that could be applied to a wide variety of different things, like the brains for robots, or you could have a therapist that's really good at giving advice but never actually knows what you're specifically talking about as far as private information. Could be interesting. But the first implementation is an AI that analyzes all your different email inboxes and helps give you relevant, hey, this one hasn't been responded to. Check out this. Do you want to help me draft an email? It puts you in charge and gives you a better metaphysical idea of like what everything is going on. And we're ideally going to be targeting this at businesses and integrating more than just email eventually, to the point where it'll be like a whole business. It'll build a whole model of how your business works, and then be able to use the human language chat interface to give the C-level executives a deep understanding of the core fundamentals, and you won't have issues in your company like the rollout of Apple's Apple Intelligence. It totally failed because human. It wasn't a technology failure, just the teams were. If you know the story behind that, it's crazy shit. So we're a small team, and we're going to be lean. And I put together a pitch deck. We're going to be raising $1.5 million for initial seed funding for the first 12 to 18 months to get an alpha ready, so we can start accepting people as alpha testers to try the program and see what they think. But yeah, it's really exciting. That's what I've been doing, pretty much. Not much else, just super focused on that for the last 10 days. But go check it out. Laserflow.com, laserflow.xyz for the demo app, and the pitch deck is laserflow.com/pitch if you want to invest in us. There's also merch. You can go to the merch page and buy wallpapers and stuff. So we're raising money when you need to get like articles of incorporation going on, get registered as a C Corp, get all that stuff ready too. So fun times. Anyways, how are you? How's things? Thanks for watching this far into a video about AI and stuff. You must either be a nerd like me or just like hearing me talk. Either way, thank you. Enjoy the coffee, and we'll see you in the next one.